Hi everyone, me here Upali Sharma from Symantec Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is comparison operator in Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss here on the topic that is Python comparison operators. So the Python comparison operators are used to compare the two values. So first of all, the operators are, for an example, first operator is equals to, the name is equal to, for an example, that is x is equals to y. So the second example is that is not is equals to, that is not equal. So the example is x not equal to the value of y. So the next operator is which is less than. For an example, x is value that is less than y. So the next is, this is known as greater than. Example is x is value greater than the value of y. So the next example is this is known as less than equal to. So the example is x is value that is less than is equals to the value of y. So the next example is greater than is equals to. For an example, the x is y less than and the x is y greater than is equals to the value of y. So these are the operators, comparison operators, these are the names and these are the examples according to the operators. So now we'll discuss the example of each one operator as like we are explaining here. Our first operator, that is equals to, the value will be printed only in the two formats, which is true or the false. So first of all, we are taking the value that is 5. The other value is, suppose it is 5. So the first variable is x and the second one is y. So now we'll print this. We'll use a print function. We'll ask that if my x's value is equals to y, then the another line the result will be that is true. Because the 5 and 5 value is same, so we are asking if the value is equals to, the result is true. If we are writing here that is 6, so it is not is equals to, it will print it here that is, so the answer is false. So as on the next operator, that is not is equals to, so it is written as, the operator will be changed, that is not is equals to. So the answer will be that the value of 5, x's value is 5 and y's value of 6, it is not is equals to, so this is true. So the answer is true here. If we are writing here both the values same, it is not is equals to, the answer will be false here. So as like we can use the another examples, that is less than is equals to, greater than, and these two examples, that is less than is equals to and the greater than is equals to, in this format. So today we are going to discuss here on the topic that is comparison operators. So first of all, we'll take a variable to comparison between the two variables, that is x and y, and the values, and then we'll use the print function to see the output. As we are writing here x is equals to x, y, the answer is true, as the x's value and the y's value is equals to each other, so the answer is being true. So this is the first example, that is of is equal to. So the next example is first variable x, second is y, and the values are 5 and 3. Now we'll use print function. After that we are using the operator, that is x not equal to y. So this is known as not equal to y. So when we see the answer, that is true, which is 5 is not is equals to the value that is 3. So the answer is true, that is not equal. So the another example is x is value and the value of y. After that we'll use the print function, and then we'll use the operator that is x and then greater than y. So it is true, as the x's value is 5, that is greater than 3. So the answer is true. So the next example is, that is, first of all we'll take the x's variable, then the value that is 3, and the y variable, then the value that is 5. And now we'll print the function and we'll use operator that is, suppose x is greater than y, we'll see the answer, that is false, because the value 3 is not greater than y, it is smaller than, so the answer is false. So the next example is like the first variable x and the second is y and their variables values. So now we'll print the function and we'll use the operator so the operator is x less than y. So it is false because the x is greater than y, because 5 is greater than 2. So the another example is x is equal to value that is 2 and the y's value is 5. And now we'll print the function that is x, that is x is less than is equals to y. So the operator is less than is equals to y. So we can see the answer, that is true, because y is greater than the x's value. So this is how we can use operators, which are comparison operator in the Python programming language. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.